Hi, this is Stefan from Conduktor, and I'm going to show you how to use Conduktor to connect to Upstash. So Upstash is a serverless Kafka service. So let's go into the console. I'm going to create an account and get back to you. Okay, so I am connected and I'm going to go under Kafka and I'm going to create a Kafka cluster. So this is going to be a demo of Conduktor and the region is going to be EU West 1. It's going to be single zone. I will create it. And then we can create our first topic, but we'll do this later actually. Okay, so my cluster is now created. We got a region, we got an endpoint, as well as a username and a password. So fairly simple. There are some Java properties we're going to use in Conduktor to connect into our zero cluster. So let's go into properties. And what I have to do is to copy all of this into Conduktor. So let's go here. We're going to create a new Kafka cluster. And the cluster name is going to be demo Upstash. And under additional properties, I'm going to copy and paste everything. Now for Bootstrap server, this is what I'm going to extract under the Bootstrap servers in here, and I can delete this line. So this should be enough. And let's test the Kafka connectivity. And the connection is okay, so that means that everything is successful. I'll click on save, and then click on demo Upstash to connect into my Upstash Kafka cluster. So I am connected. And as you can see right now, we don't have anything. We have 3 brokers. So it's kind of nice that we have a cluster with 3 brokers. And we can go ahead and create some topics. So it is important to note that you cannot create a topic directly from Conduktor. So if I try to create a replication factor of 3 and 3 partitions and create this topic, I get a create topic is not allowed. So it turns out that I need to go into the Upstash console and create my topic from there. So I will go to topics, I will create a topic, call it demo topic, and have maybe 3 partitions, and then click on create. So my topic is now created. I can edit the retention time, retention size, and so on in here for the configs, but I will leave everything as default. So Upstash is cool because it can give you a free tier at 10,000 messages per day, okay? And it's going to count how many messages are produced, and you get a per message billing on Upstash, which is nice because it's closest to the real serverless type of architecture we're used to, for example, when we use AWS Lambda. Okay, so let's have a look and see if the topic is now here. So I'm going to refresh Conduktor. And yes, indeed, my topic is now appearing. So I can click on this demo topic and we indeed have 3 partitions. We can see that they are on different brokers. So we have 3 brokers here and each of them has a little bit of the partitions of this demo topic. And what I can do now is start a producer. So we're going to start producing some data to this topic. So it's demo topic and I can have the key as null and the value as hello world, and I'll produce to the topic. As you can see now, the topic has had some data and it works. So I can do another test if I wanted to. Again, produce to the topic. And yes, the data is being sent. So this is pretty good. And alternatively, I can start a consumer. And then in here, I can inspect the topic data. The value format is string. I start from the beginning to start reading the entire topic. Let's start. And now we can see that our messages, hello world and other test, are appearing in this consumer window. So now the cool thing about Upstash is that if I go back to the usage page, as you can see, 2 messages were produced and 11 consumed. It gives me my storage size in real time and as well as my consumption in real time. And the pricing is that it's completely serverless. So each message is billed and we don't have any other pricing than per the message. So that's what makes it super compatible with the serverless stack. So we can have a look at the throughput as a graph. We know how many messages are consumed and produced, which are some very interesting settings, as well as the total data size. So we can create as many topics as we want and really just start using Kafka, which is quite nice, and edit credentials and so on. And the last thing I want to show you is the pricing. So if we go to Upstash, I'll type Upstash Kafka pricing. And we click on this link, the serverless Kafka. And then the pricing is right here at the top. As we can see for Kafka, we have 10,000 daily messages for free. And these are the settings. And then pay as you go gives you unlimited message limits. You get a lot of retention and so on. And you're going to pay 20 cents per 100,000 commands up to 120,000 monthly max, which is quite nice. And for multi-zone, you pay 60 cents for 100,000 commands up to 360 monthly max, which is quite nice as well. All right, hopefully that helps you. and you've discovered how Upstash works with Conduktor. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video.